Hi everyone, here's your answer to the ages. So I said, Alan is 3 years younger than Bill, Chris is twice Alan's age, and Bill is 8 years younger than Chris. How old are Alan, Bill and Chris? Okay, the first thing to do here, you could actually just solve this by trial and improvement. So just think of a number for, say, Alan's age, and just see if you can get some values to it. That could take you 15, 20 minutes. So we need to put a bit of algebra behind it. Okay, so I've interpreted the question. I'm using A for Alan, B for Bill, and C for Chris. And apologies, this isn't sort of easy to see. So Alan plus 3 equals Bill's age. Chris is twice Alan's age. And Bill's age plus 8 equals Chris's age. It's still a bit of a mess if I was honest. Now with algebra, you want to try and get the same letter on its own. Okay, just one X, one Y, one A, one B, whatever the letter may be. And we've got a few things we can do to help us do that. So I'm going to mix up these equations and try and get all of one letter just together. So the first thing I'm going to do, and I'm going to use the last equation here, that one I've just starred. I'm going to get rid of the letter B, and instead of the letter B, I'm going to put A plus 3. So, instead of the letter B there, I've put A plus 3. So you can see this new equation, I've got an A, a number 3, a number 3, and the letter C. So I'm going to get rid of that letter C, and instead of the letter C, I'm going to put in 2A. Because then, in this new equation, all I'm going to have is letter A's and numbers. So you can see there, instead of writing the letter C, I've put 2A because we've said that here. Okay, I'm just going to tidy it up. All I've done there is add the numbers. 3 add 8 is 11. So Alan's age plus 11 equals 2 lots of Alan's ages. And now, to solve algebra, it should be dead easy. Just do the same to both sides. I'm going to take 1A off both sides. So watch what happens. So if I get rid of 1A from this side, I'm just left with the number 11. And if I get rid of 1A from this side, I'm just left with 1A. So Alan's age is 11. First answer. I'm going to look back at my initial sort of setup here. Alan plus 3 equals Bill's age. So then Bill is 14. And then the last one was Chris. And Chris is 8 years younger. Sorry, Bill is 8 years younger than Chris. So Chris has to be 22. Now, if I bear those numbers in mind, listen to my question again. Alan is 3 years younger than Bill. Yeah, he is. Chris is twice Alan's age, 22 and 11. Yeah. And Bill is 8 years younger than Chris. Yeah, he is. So Alan's 11, Bill's 14, and Chris is 22.